Today I want to show you how to make this skirt into this bubble skirt in less than 5 minutes. So basically we're going to turn a regular skirt that you probably have in your closet, and if not, you can thrift it. This was $3 at the thrift store. All you need to make sure is that it has a hem. But yeah, my name's Lindsay. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I love DIYs and upcycling, and I've been seeing, as I'm sure you have, the bubble skirts. The bubble skirts are everywhere. I feel like a mini bubble skirt is the cutest one, so that's what we're gonna go for today. Here's the skirt we're working with. I just think this skirt is a little bit too poofy as is, but would make the perfect bubble skirt. So we're gonna do that today, and you don't need many things. So let's just get started. So like I said, the skirt you're using needs a hem at the bottom, enough that an elastic will fit through. And then all you really need, in addition to that, is scissors and some elastic. I was debating between the 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch. I went with the 1/2 inch, and it's braided elastic. Here you can see I'm just making sure that the 1/2 inch is gonna fit. You can do whichever one is your preference. We're gonna make a slit first. So to make a slit, we're gonna do it in the side seam. The reason we're doing it in the side seam is just because it's already bulky there, so we might as well play into that. So you wanna make sure you do not cut the outside of the skirt, otherwise you'll have a hole through it. You only wanna pinch it and grab the outside. So I'll pinch it like that, and I'm just gonna make a little slit in the middle. Okay, so right now I have this slit. That did not go to the other side. We're gonna leave it that small for now. We'll see which one we end up using. Woo! Okay, so I'm just gonna measure the elastic band around my legs to see, like when I'm just standing, how much it needs to cinch in. Okay, I want this skirt to probably be around as short as these cute little shorts. So if I'm just standing, it'd be like this. This is gonna be funny. Okay, ready? And then if I walk, yeah, that's like fine. If I'm walking, it's like not restrictive. Okay, cute. I'm not really adding any stretch to this, like it will stretch more on its own. You just want to lay it around so it's sitting pretty tight. It's like right on my legs. I'm just gonna snip it there. Okay, so this is how long my string is. Now I'm just gonna try and thread it through. Like literally so quick, so quick. To thread it through, I always just use a safety pin. I find it works really well. I even tried one of the other tools for threading stuff through, and it just wasn't working out. So my trusty safety pin always does. Put the safety pin on the end of the elastic, as you can see, and put it in the hole, and then you're just gonna thread it through. So basically push the safety pin as far as you can, scrunch it up, and then pull the fabric. And you're just gonna repeat that all the way around the skirt. So as you can see, it's starting to provide that scrunched elastic look, which is very exciting. So just keep going till you go all the way around. Okay, so I just put the elastic all the way through the bottom, and it's gonna poke out the other side here through that same hole we started with. Make sure you don't let go of this piece, otherwise you'll lose it. But yeah, you're gonna pull it out. Let's hold on to the two pieces and like scrunch it all out. I wanted to test the skirt before I finalized it by sewing the elastic together, so I just attached the safety pin to both ends and then kind of pushed it through to test the fit. So obviously this looks a little silly at the moment. What I'm doing is I'm just testing if I need to tighten it more or if this is good. So to make it a bubble skirt, you tuck it under so that this part now becomes like flipped inside. So it's almost like covering it. I feel like it's good. I feel like it's really good. Okay, I don't think it needs to be any tighter, the elastic. I just need to like spread out the fabric a bit better. So I'm gonna go ahead and sew this together, like these two pieces. Should be good to go. When sewing the elastic together, you're just gonna lay it over top of one another like I'm showing here. This just helps it lay flat once it's inside the skirt. And I just did a straight stitch. My sewing machine needs to get serviced. It was giving me a little bit of a hard time, so it's not the cleanest sewing job I've done, but it does the trick. I bought this fray check. I've never used this before, so I thought I'd try it out. It's supposed to prevent fraying. It's kind of like glue, I guess. I felt like it was decent, but I decided to still go ahead with the lighter and just solidify the ends and make it nice and hard on the ends so it would not fray. So technically I used both, and it worked out great. Now it's time to put the elastic all the way inside, put the ends through the little hole we made in the skirt, and it's pretty hidden. You can add a little fabric glue to close it up if you want so it doesn't fray. Mine seemed fine, and there it is. Let's try it on.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now. You just give me a...
I'm so excited for more upcycles soon. Lots of fun, exciting things. So definitely subscribe, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Ta for now. Bye bye.